Hi, I'm Brian Chemist from MarineMax in Fort Myers, and I wanted to walk you through my newest listing, a 2016 L650 Sundancer Sea Ray. She's an awesome boat, very low hours at 283, captain maintained. The boat is immaculate. I'd like to start on the back of the boat here, where we've got an 1,100-pound capacity hydraulic swim platform and a cruise quarter with a head, sink, shower, bunk, and air conditioning. Now we are standing in this enormous cockpit where we can seat 8 or 10 people very comfortably. We've got an electric sure shade that puts this whole cockpit area in the shade. And then over here we've got our wet bar cockpit entertaining area where we've got a refrigerator, an electric Kenyan grill that I don't think's ever been used, a trash can area, and a nice sink and workstation. As we egress from the cockpit into the salon area, you can see the sliding doors stack port side, so we have this enormous entranceway that gives us outdoor and indoor entertainment that comes together. I'd like to point out we have a Ray Marine backup camera, rear-facing camera up there. As we come in the cabin, we have quarter walnut cabinetry, and the owner actually customized the sofa seating and also had Roman blinds made to take the place of the wood shutters. And look at the 6 or 7 different elements of textures and colors. Sea Ray's done an amazing job with how beautiful this area looks. And as I step up here, I've got a raised dining area, and look at the panoramic views. And then we've got a little bar stool area where we can sit and talk about the day's boating. And then we have Bose surround sound throughout, as well as a big screen TV in the corner. I'm standing in the galley area where we've got lots of surface area to prepare dinner if you'd like, or snacks. Now let's start with a wine cooler that was optional. Now we've got upper and lower refrigerator freezer, 4 of them, a triple burner stovetop, some hidden storage for glasses, plates, bowls, and look at the panoramic views while you're standing here in the galley or eating at your dinette table. Along with those panoramic views, look at this enormous skylight. When it's open, obviously you get fresh air and lots of sunlight, and then you can close the blind and keep out the sunlight. Our cabinet doors are open, and you can see all the coffee cups and bowls and whatnot that get hidden away nicely. And continuing in the galley, we've got a convection microwave, drawer storage, lots of storage throughout, trash can, and a double stainless steel sink. An awesome feature that makes managing docking and tying up the boat is this pantograph doorway. So now you or your wife does not have to walk back the entire length of the boat to get to the bow. You've cut the distance down to a third. The power plant of this L650 is Caterpillar C18 diesels. 1,150 horsepower straight shafts, and along with that is a joystick docking system that ties in your bow thrusters and your shifters to replicate pod docking. It really works nicely. And then we've got 2 GS165s with radar, chart plotter, engine data. Our 2 cameras are in the back. We've got a engine room camera here and a rear facing or backup camera in the starboard screen. We've got a nice big Ray Marine depth finder so you can see how much water you're in quick and easily. And then we've got 283 hours on our cat filters. Another awesome feature that makes things easy is we've got an opening window here so you can talk to a dock master, talk to your wife on the bow a little easier. That's very handy. And then look at these gorgeous Steed helm seats. They are comfortable. If you're in for that long cruise, what else would you rather sit in? These are just awesome. A very important option for this boat is its twin Seakeeper gyro stabilizers. They're awesome technology. They really work, and it changes your boating. Now, as we enter our lower stateroom area, this boat has 4 staterooms, 3 heads and shower. We've got 2 twin rooms, port and starboard here. We've got a day head and shower here. And in front we have our VIP stateroom with a VIP head and shower behind this wall. And then down below toward in the middle of the boat is the master stateroom, an enormous master head and shower. Each of the 4 staterooms has their own thermostat so they can control how cool or warm they are. This is the starboard side twin guest room. Got its own TV, own thermostat, lots of storage, lots of headroom. I'm 5'10", 5'11", and lots of room, lots of daylight if you choose so, and also a large hanging locker here. I'm standing in our port guest stateroom, twin room, and it mirrors the starboard side. Independent air conditioning, thermostat, television, nice big hanging locker, and lots of storage for your guests or children. So now we are forward in our VIP stateroom. You can see nice room, lots of headroom, nice queen size bed, lots of storage. We've got hanging lockers, 1 port, 1 starboard, and also 4 pull-out drawers. So you've got lots of storage. And Sea Ray did a great job of making an entrance stairway here so you can get in and out of bed easily, whether you're up in the middle of the night or early in the morning. And then we also have a Bose soundbar and a smart television and our privately thermostats. And this is the VIP head and shower. And as you can see, we've got our head, lots of cabinetry for storage, hangers to hang up your towels, a gorgeous sink, and once again, Sea Ray did a great job with textures, colors. It's gorgeous. And as you can see, the shower is a very nice size at 5'10", 220 pounds. I've got lots of room. Now let's enter our master stateroom. We've got a separate washer and dryer. Come on inside. Look at the different colors, textures, appointments, great lighting. We've got a whole dresser of storage on our starboard side of the boat. Enormous windows. Right now I have the blinds down. If you wanted more daylight, you can actually lift those blinds up. Look at the different textures, the lighting. I've got 4 drawers underneath the bed, 2 on each side. All this is storage. The 4 drawers are storage. This is the refrigerator, so if you want that bottle of water in the middle of the night. And this is really cool. Got a makeup center for the Admiral on the boat, and we have a hassock stool that slides over in front of that. And look at our California closets. Look at all this storage. And it's all cedar lined. It's beautiful. What a master head. Double sink, lots of storage, 2 vanities with storage, Great lighting, great headroom, place to hang your towels. Awesome shower. And once again, at 5'10", 220, I've got lots of space, and there is a stool over here if you needed to sit in the shower. And we've actually got an overhead rain shower head. That's pretty cool. Here we are up on the bow, and this is another entirely different entertaining zone. You've got bench seating, you've got sun pads. These two seats on the back of the sun pad lift up, so if you wanted to eat out here, you could. There's a sunshade with stainless steel poles and a nice black mesh that shades this whole area that takes about 2 seconds to set up. And then as far as safety, this is 2 areas on each port and starboard side of the boat that you can store your canvas, dock lines, fenders, and then your wife doesn't have to walk the whole length of the boat carrying a fender or dock lines. They're already up here. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the L650 Sundancer, known as Euphoria, here in Fort Myers. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see the boat, please give me a call on my cell phone, 239-222-5907. And if I missed any part of the boat that you'd like to see more of, give me a call, and I can FaceTime walk you through the boat or send you some more videos. Thanks again, and this is Brian Kevis.